All right. Actually, she doesn't look too bad, does she? Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Matt, welcome to Roads of Oz, and on this episode we're doing something I've never wanted to do to the Griso, but because I'm going on a big trip, I think it's pretty useful. And that's installing this Dart Flyscreen. Now this is one of the larger ones. It's the tinted fly screen, and it's actually the Marlin fly screen with the dark tint, and it's made specifically for the Griso. So the reason I didn't want to do this, I actually like the look of the bike in its naked forms, and to me this is really taking a dump on a Picasso, but I've always been a fan of function over form, so I'm just going to have to suck it up and install it. Okay, so I've got the bag of bits here, and we're just going to take, I'll start on this side, just got to take these two bolts off here, one for the blinker and one for the headlight. So you feed the cable through this little slot here. Just feed that through the cable, and I'll probably reuse the existing nut and bolts, but I won't, just in case. So this is what comes with the kit. You can see it's a touch longer than the original one. Sorry, you have to excuse me, I'm still sweating, still getting over this virus. It just completely knocked it out of me. And we'll just tighten this up, then we'll do the other side. But it won't make you sit through that. Alright, so I went back to the original hex bolt for the and the reason being is there's a dome nut on each of these, and also take the headlight off. It's just easy to get access to the dome nut. It doesn't fit in easily, so, and also the bolts supplied with these Dart fly screens are too long and you have too much play. So the originals fit in nicely, so I'll put the originals back in. The headlights I'll use the ones that were supplied with the Dart, that Dart supplied, because they fit fine. Alright, so there she is. It doesn't look too bad. I don't hate it. It doesn't look out of place on the bike, so not too bad. I've tightened this up. Now it doesn't say to use Loctite on it. What I'll do, I'll just check them regularly. It seems quite solid, and overall quite happy. We'll see how it goes. I'll give it a road test, and we'll see how much diffusing it does. But yeah, as I said, quite happy with that. Alright, let's get out of here. I'm going to insert your code. Yeah. So I haven't ridden the bike for a while, so she's a little bit grumpy. The battery needs charging, so I might even pull out the battery tender later on to charge her up. But at the moment, testing out this little bikini fairing. Now my first impressions, it's barely above the bloody number plate, so I'm not expecting too much from it. Alright, so the true test is I've got the visor open, so we'll see how much wind comes smashing into my face. Not too bad, okay. I can feel a little bit of wind. It's hitting about there, so yeah, it's hitting me. It starts hitting me in the eyes, so I'm going to bring my visor down so hopefully you can hear me a bit better. So that will do something, so I can tuck in when I'm going at speed, but I can feel the wind. There's not much hitting me in the chest, but that's not the be all and end all. So I'm not feeling too much hitting here, but here you can feel it there. It's protected, so it's protected to my helmet, so that's doing something. I didn't expect a little bikini fairing this size to go over my head. I'd virtually need the bat wing, and that's all right. I'll give it a quick test on the motorway and see how she holds up. But overall, yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'm surprised actually I didn't think I'd like the look of it on the bike. I actually quite like it, so quite happy there. All right. So yeah, that mod seems to work. It gives some protection, which is better than nothing, and it doesn't look too ugly. As you know, I was quite concerned about how bad it was actually going to look. That's all right. Also, as it's a bit warmer, I broke out the perforated gloves, and these are doing all right so far. They're a bit cheaper than the Hoxton gloves. I think these are about $60 or $70. I can't exactly remember, and I'll do a proper review on them later. Give the battery a bit of a charge on the motorway. It's charging at excuse me, it's charging at 13.8 volts, so that's a good thing, but I'd really need to ride it for over an hour to get it fully charged, and I won't be doing that. I've still got a bit of a cough from this, the dreaded COVID, but the cough is apparently the last thing that leaves you. So let's see how we go here. Yeah, not too bad, so you can feel it stop there. By the time it gets to me, it's about there, so from there up, that's where you can feel the wind definitely hitting you. It's protect the little I think it's a Dart Marlin fairing. It does give you that good protection of your chest and your neck. I'm a tall guy, so pretty much from the chin upwards is where the wind hits, which not much you can do there. It'll be interesting to hear how this my little GoPro session camera holds up, and is it getting protected from the wind noise, because I don't have anything to protect it from the wind noise, so it'll be interesting to see how much protection that shield's giving it, if any. Alright, so I'm very happy with that. That screen's doing wonders. So yeah, all up, yeah, pretty happy with the install. Anyway, that's pretty much it from me. Thanks very much for watching. If you found the video interesting, please like, hit the share button, and if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button. It helps out my channel and my ego out immensely. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next vid.